Welcome to Edvento. In this tutorial, you will learn how to assign tasks to your class. You will also learn how to use the class roster for student performance analytics. First, open the Classes section. Here, you will see your teacher schedule. At the bottom of the teacher schedule, you will see your classes. If you do not have a class yet, you can create one by clicking the Create New Class button. We learned how to create a class in the previous tutorial. If you already have a class, click the View Class button on the class card. In this example, let's open a science class. Inside the class page, you will see the daily tracking table. This table is also called the class roster. The class roster follows your teacher schedule. For example, if your class is scheduled on Monday, only Monday lessons will appear in the roster. Students will appear in the student list after they join the class. If there are no students in the class, this area will be empty. To invite students, you can share the class access code. You can also show the class QR code, or you can share the class link. It is important to remember that teachers and students can see each other only if they are in the same class. Classes work like hubs in Edvento. If a teacher and a student are not in the same class, they cannot see each other. Teachers can view student profiles. However, students cannot see each other's profiles.
At the top of the class roster, you can use the Previous Classes button. This helps you check what happened in previous class days. You can also use the Next Classes button. This helps you plan upcoming class days. To return to the current view, click the Go Current button. Now let's assign a task. Find the day where you want to assign an activity. At the bottom of that day column, click the Add Task button. Your Activity Hub will open. Here, you can open your folders and nested folders. These folders contain the activities you have created. Find the activity you want to assign. Then, click Add Activity. The activity is now added to the class roster. You can add more than one activity for the same day. You can also add activities for future days. However, you cannot add activities to previous days. This helps teachers plan their workflow in advance. After you assign a task, students will see it in their own profiles. The task will appear as an undone activity until the student completes it. In the class roster, each assigned task is shown as a circle. The number of circles shows the number of assigned tasks. For example, if you assign 2 tasks, you will see 2 circles. Each circle represents one task. The color of the circle shows the task status. For example, the task may be missing, opened, or completed.
To see more details, click on a cell in the class roster. Each cell belongs to one specific student and one specific class day. A pop-up window will open. In this pop-up, you can see the activities assigned to that student for that day. If you click a different student or a different day, you will see a different pop-up. This means each cell gives you specific information for one student and one day. In the pop-up window, you can see the activity name. You can see the activity status. You can also see how many times the student tried to complete the activity. You can also see the first trial result. The first trial result is very important. Even if a student opens the activity, learns the answers, and tries again, the teacher can still see the first result. This gives a clearer picture of the student's first performance. You can also export this result. This is useful if you want to share the information with parents or keep a record. When you finish, click the red Close button. If you want to remove a student from the class, go to the student list. Click the Student Remove icon. A confirmation pop-up will appear. If you click Delete, the student will be removed from the class. If you click Cancel, the student will stay in the class. And that is how you assign tasks and use the class roster in Edvento. Thank you for watching.